In this video, we're going to go over the Excel job opportunity. So we're going to cover some of the top jobs that require Excel skills. We're going to give you some average type of experience level that you need. We're going to give you some potential salary numbers here of what you can expect as somebody who's entry level or somebody who already has some experience, and just pretty much giving you an overview of the opportunities that are available for individuals that have the skill set of Excel. They've mastered it, which you're going to be able to do by going through this course. So let's go ahead and jump into Excel job opportunities. Okay, so entry-level data analyst with less than 1 year experience, which is pretty much going to be the job that you're looking at or looking to get into after you complete this course. You can expect to earn an average of $52,000, and then 1 to 4 years experience can earn you an average of $56,000, and then 5 to 9 years experience can earn you an average salary of $63,000, and then obviously here a very senior level can get you, $66,000 plus. But this is just a data analyst type of positions, right? That's depending on really what you're looking to get into. If you're looking to stay within the data analyst world, or you're looking to get into maybe business analysis, maybe you want to look at becoming a project manager, whatever that may be, right? This is just kind of giving you an overview of the data analyst position. And a recent study from Indeed.com was looking at what is the most in-demand software skills in the market. And they found that Excel came out on top. So Excel's very much so in demand. The skills for, Excel are just going to continue to increase. There's just so many opportunities out there that are available and that are coming up, especially with data increasing, right? So they're just massive opportunity. And then also here we're looking at the list of jobs that require Excel skills. So we have the data analyst, we have accountants, admin assistants, business analysts, project managers, and really the list can go on, because in most type of office setting jobs where you're doing data entry, you're working with data, with information, it's going to require you to have a fundamental understanding of Excel, because you're going to be working with data, analyzing, and then making decisions based off that data. So there's just a massive opportunity here for you to be able to come in here, learn these skills by going through this course, and land a high-paying job or get started with freelancing. So that's going to be it here for this one, and we'll see you on the next one.